Hello, welcome to Reclining Yoga. Today I have 10 minutes morning yoga, so let's begin. Let's start today's class in a child pose. So open your knee wide, bring your feet together and make your hips on your heel. Stretch your arms forward. Raise your head and close your eyes. Take this time to drop into your body, into this present moment, and turn your attention inward. Slowly wake up, come into cat and cow. Inhale, arch your back, and exhale, round your back, look your belly. Inhale, arch your back, open your chest. Exhale, round your back, look your belly. Moving at your own pace. Come back to neutral position and tiger pose. Extend your left leg back and your right arm forward. Hold here. Lengthen from fingertips to toe. Engage your core muscle and switch side. Find balance and stability. Come back to center and tuck your toes and downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Stretch your back and your legs. Press your hands firmly into the mat. Lift your hips up and back. Keep your spine long. Begin to pedal out through your feet. Relax your neck and take a deep breath. Come to stillness. Look forward, walk your hand forward, and bow down. Inhale, open your arms, and exhale, hand to the heart center. One more. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more. Inhale, arms up, and bow down. Step your foot back, plank position. Shoulder forward, lower your body. And inhale, open your chest. Cobra pose. Tuck your toes and exhale, downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Bend your knees if you need. Relax your neck and take a deep breath. Look forward, walk your hands and inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Stand top of your mat. Ground down through all four corners of your feet, the base of your big toe, the base of your little toe, the inner heel and the outer heel. Gently lift your kneecaps and engage your inner thigh. Lower your shoulders back and open your chest. Slowly tuck your chin. Imagine as drawing, gently pouring you up through the crown of your head. Raise your arms, rest softly by your side. Take one deep breath here. Step your right foot back and ground through both feet. Arms up and warrior one. Square your hips towards the front. Lift through your spine. Come into warrior two. Reach actively through both arms. Keep your front knee over your ankle. Flip your left palm up and reach up and back. Keep your front knee bent. Lengthen through the side body. And come into triangle pose. Straighten from your leg. Lengthen both sides of your waist. Hand to the mat. Step your right foot forward. Slowly inhale, roll up and switch side. Step your left foot back. Inhale, arms up. Bend your front knee, open your chest, warrior one. And come into warrior two. Feel stability through your legs. Expand across your chest. Flip your right palm up and reach up and back. Create space between your ribs. Stay grounded through your legs. And come into triangle pose. Straighten your front leg. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and inner thigh. Keep your chest open. Slowly wake up and turn your toes slightly outward. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center and bend your knees. Goddess pose. Lift your chest. Engage your inner thigh and glute. Feel strength through your entire body. Straighten your legs. Turn your toe forward. Interlace your finger behind your back and open your chest. Exhale, bow down. Hold forward from your hips. Allow your arms to lift overhead. Inhale, slowly wake up. Release your hand and come into cross-legged seated position. Inhale, arms up and twist to your left. Look over your left shoulder. Keep your hips facing forward. Inhale, arms up, twist to your right. Keep your spine long and your hips facing forward. Relax your neck and shoulder. Come back to center. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, hand to the heart center. Thank you yourself for showing up today. See you.